Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tropical surge is probably one of the most exciting bowling balls to hit the market, promising to revolutionize your game with its unique design. This ball is engineered to give you a smooth, controlled hook, allowing for greater precision and consistency on the lanes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this ball could be the key to unlocking your full potential and dominating the competition. Number 5. Storm Tropical Surge Pink Purple 10 pounds. This is the Storm Tropical Surge. It's a high-performance bowling ball designed for maximum hook and pin action. With its unique core and cover stock, it delivers exceptional results on the lanes. As a sporting good, this ball is built to last. It's crafted with quality materials to withstand the rigors of regular use. This ball will help you improve your game. The item package dimensions are 20.955 cm in length, 22.225 cm in width, and 22.606 cm in height. This ensures it's well packaged for safe shipping and handling. Proudly made in the United States, this ball represents quality craftsmanship. You can trust its performance and durability, knowing it's made with precision and care. The item package weight is 4.967 kilograms. This weight is ideal for providing the necessary momentum and control. It's designed to enhance your bowling experience. What we like. This ball is built for consistency and control. If you're just starting out and want a ball that's easy to handle and provides a predictable reaction, this is a great choice. It's perfect for learning the basics and building your skills. What people say. My son loves this ball and has been bowling with it for a year now. Ball hooks like it should, her average went up by 20 points. The bowling ball looks amazing and bowls very well. Number 4. Storm Tropical Surge Pink Purple Bowling Ball. Introducing the Storm Tropical Surge Bowling Ball. This ball is designed for recreational bowlers looking for a great performance. It features a Reactor Pearl reactive cover stock. This cover stock helps the ball to grip the lane and provide a strong backhand reaction. The surge core provides a consistent and predictable ball motion. This core design helps the ball maintain its energy throughout the lane. This ball smells like birthday cake. It is a unisex adult bowling ball. This bowling ball is perfect for recreational bowlers. It is a great choice for anyone looking to improve their game. What we like. This ball not only performs well but also smells amazing. The Reactor Pearl reactive cover stock provides a strong hook potential. If you like a ball that smells great and offers a dynamic reaction on the lane, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. I like this bowling ball and it helped my handicap. It took a few games for me to get used to it. I wasn't used to a curved ball and had to find the right arrow. Once I did, it helped tremendously. Color and ball are perfect. Number 3. Storm Tropical Surge Bowling Ball, Purple, 12 pounds. This bowling ball is designed for ultimate performance. It helps you achieve the perfect strike with ease. The unique technology provides exceptional hook potential. It ensures a consistent and powerful roll down the lane. This ball not only performs great but also looks fantastic. Its vibrant color will make you stand out on the lanes. At 12 pounds, it offers a balanced feel for optimal control. It is perfect for bowlers looking for precision and power. Get ready to experience a new level of bowling. This will help you achieve higher scores and more strikes. What we like. This ball offers a reliable hook and is designed for medium lane conditions. If you are looking for a ball that provides a consistent reaction and helps you control the pocket, this is a great option. What people say. Great weight and reaction to the pins. It was just what she expected and wanted. Number 2. Storm Tropical Surge Emerald Charcoal 14 pounds. Introducing the Storm Tropical Surge. This ball is designed for optimal performance on the lanes. It's a must-have for any bowler looking to improve their game. Featuring the Reactor Pearl reactive cover stock, it provides exceptional grip and backhand reaction. This technology ensures a strong and consistent hook, giving you the edge. The surge core offers a dynamic and powerful roll. It helps to maximize pin action and increase your chances of striking. This core is engineered for superior performance. With a 1500 grit polished factory finish, it delivers a smooth and clean look. This finish enhances the ball's performance, making it ideal for various lane conditions. Enjoy the subtle and pleasant vanilla fragrance. It adds a touch of enjoyment to every game. It's a sensory experience that enhances the overall bowling experience. What we like. This ball features a smooth, polished finish and smells like vanilla. The polished finish helps it glide through the front part of the lane. If you like a ball that provides a smooth, clean reaction and a pleasant fragrance, you should consider this. What people say. His game continues to improve, so the ball definitely isn't holding him back. Excellent option como tu primer bola reactiva para aprender lo básico y iniciar con el tema de la cava. Es una buena opción por si buscas una bola para pistas secas, te permite mantener en posición tranquilo sin abrir mucho, además el olor a vanilla es muy agradable y muy llamativa a la vista su destino. Number 1. Storm Tropical Surge Bowling Ball, Black Cherry 15 pounds. This new bowling ball is part of the Evolve Tropical line. It ships undrilled, allowing for custom drilling. The Surge core, with its boosted differential, is designed for optimal performance. Paired with the reactor formula, it provides the curve you desire. This ball comes in 6 exciting colors and fragrances. The fragrance is cherry, making it appealing to a wide audience. It features a reactor pearl reactive cover stock and a 1500 grit polished finish. The flare potential is medium, ranging from 2 to 4. The RG is 2.58 for a 15 pounds ball, and the RG diff is 0.029. This bowling ball is designed for unisex adult use. What we like. This ball features a boosted differential for increased hook potential. The medium flare potential makes it versatile for various lane conditions. If you are looking for a ball with a strong hook and a versatile performance, this is the one for you. What people say. Awesome ball, been having great games using it. Cracked. A piece of junk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.